How's it going, guys? Today we're going to do a review on this Savage UTV belt carrying case. It's supposed to be waterproof and comes with a lot of tools. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any ideas for future videos, be sure to drop it down there in the comments. So reason you'd like to have this, reason I bought it is I got sick of not necessarily carrying this thing around in a bag. The thing was always in the way. I put it behind my seat, and it's always, can't get your seat sitting exactly right, or I got a pack in the middle now and I'm just running out of room inside the cab. This thing here is supposed to be able to zip tie or bolt, I think it's zip tie right to the roll cage. Another good reason is you don't have to have the bag. The thing's waterproof, so you don't got to worry about any mud or oil or anything like that getting on your belt. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's supposed to, number one, be waterproof. It is nice and heavy. I can tell you that. It probably weighs, I don't know, a good 5-6 pounds. And it's supposed to have a nice waterproof seal. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Looks like you got 2 clamps, and then this nut must come off. Yeah, so looks like we got a like a hose clamp to mount it to your roll cage. Got two little stickers in here, Savage UTV stickers. It says, "What is the valve on the top of my case? It allows it to balance the air with the outside," it says. I'm not sure what they're talking about, the valve there, but. Oh, I guess they're talking about this here. So what you got here, you got a nice big long pair of needle nose pliers from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh brand. Utility knife. Ratcheting screwdriver, but there is no screws in it. Looks like you got a 10mm socket that goes in the end of the screwdriver, and this looks like an 8mm socket. So it does not come with your clutch wrench, so you'll need your utility knife to cut out a spot for your clutch wrench. So we'll have to stick that in there. And then the belt, they advertise it to be able to hold 2 belts. I don't know if that's going to be possible or not. There's only one way to find out. And it's not looking like we're going to be able to fit 2 belts in there. Definitely one easy up. So you can see we got the 1 belt in there. This piece of foam here just goes in the middle of your belt. Keeps it spread out. And then, just like I said, you cut your spot out there for your clutch wrench. And then, close it, and it looks like inside of here there's 2 brackets. You got your hose clamps here. There's 2 brackets here to mount right here from the inside with bolts that's inside of here, and then your hose clamp goes around like this. And then that's what holds it to the roll cage. So that's really sturdy. I'm really happy with that. No drilling required on the machine itself. Actually, no drilling in this either. And a lot stronger than the zip tie. So I'm really impressed with that. The only downfall I can say, like I said, it doesn't come with the clutch wrench. And I'm guessing the reason is there's several different clutch wrenches. So maybe they could put an option in the future where you could specify your machine and they'll automatically put your clutch wrench in there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab mine just in case you guys don't know what a clutch wrench looks like. They come in, if you buy a new Polaris, they come with it. Mine's not in here. Yeah, they come in the toolkit. And this side here is your spanner wrench for your shocks, and then this here is a clutch wrench. It goes in your hub, and you kind of use it as a cam, and it pulls the cam out and makes the slack more and more on the belt, and you can just roll the belt right off. So like I said, you just I'm probably honestly not going to cut mine out because I just carried it in the dashboard, but you could. You can see there's all kinds of room there. You could cut that foam out and just stick it right there. You could probably not even have to cut it. I just put it right in there, honestly. But all in all, really nice set. A little pricey, but really nice set. If you want to get one, there's a link down in the description. If you're tight for space like I am, I definitely recommend getting one. And if you ride a lot in the mud, like mud bogging and stuff, it might be a good idea to get one. I kind of stay out of the mud myself. But if you're getting mud up in the cab and stuff, even if you're carrying that bag, good chance you can get your belt all gummed up. And you do need a belt, and your other one's gummed up. You got to worry about cleaning it and all that. And if your belt's wet, more than likely your paper towels and all that's wet too. So definitely recommend getting one. I'm probably gonna mount it on the center bar back there between the two seats. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Like I said, if you have any ideas for future videos, be sure to drop it down there in the comments. We'll do our best to get it up. And till next time, you guys stay safe out there and stay safe on the trails.